Today I shall start exercise 6.2. Now look the figure. In the figure, ABC is a triangle and D is a point on AB and E is a point on AC. And DE parallel to BC, it is also given. And some values AD equal to 1.5 centimeter, BD equal to 3 centimeter, AE equal to 1 centimeter and CE is to be determined. Now listen, when DE parallel to BC it is given, so we apply Thales theorem. So by Thales theorem, AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay. Now you put the values whatever given in figure. 1.5 by 3 equal to 1 by CE. Now look here. I remove point, so 15 by 30 and equal to 1 by CE. 15 by 30, that is half equal to 1 by CE. So CE equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Now same math. You look here. ABC is a triangle and DE parallel to BC. AE equal to 1.8 centimeter, CE equal to 5.4 centimeter. AD you have to determine and BD equal to 7.2 centimeter. Same process. Since DE parallel to BC, show by Thales theorem AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay. Now put the values whatever given in figure. So AD by 7.2 equal to 1.8 by 5.4. Now look here. After point here is 1 digit and here also after point 1 digit. So point cancel. Okay. So 18 by 54. So AD by 7.2 equal to 18 3s are 54. So I have written here 1 by 3. Now 7.2 is divisible by 3. What will get after dividing? 2.4. So I have written here AD by 2.4 equal to 1 by 1. Okay, now by cross multiplication AD equal to 2.4 centimeter. Understand? Now question number 2. At first listen the question. E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. Means PQR is a triangle and E is a point on PQ and F is a point on PR. Then for each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. Now listen what I have done. This is the figure you draw as per question. PQR a triangle and E is a point on PQ and F is a point on PR. Now whatever the values are given in question, I have written on the figure. This is 3 PE equal to 3.9 centimeter, QE equal to 3 centimeter, PF equal to 3.6 centimeter and RF equal to 2.4 centimeter. Now listen, I state the whatever the ratio. Now PE by QE equal to 3.9 by 3 and after dividing we get 1.3. Okay. Now PF by RF equal to 3.6 by 2.4 and after point in both cases 1 digit. So point cancel. So what remains? 36 by 24. You divide by 12. 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24. 3 by 2, that is 1.5. Both the ratios are not equal. So I have written PE by EQ not equal to PF by FR. So no, EF is not parallel to QR by using converse of Thales theorem. Okay, if the ratios are equal, then they are parallel. But if the ratios are not equal, then the two lines EF and Q are not parallel. Now next question. In the question number 2 there are 3 problems. 1 and 2 are both totally same. So I have not done question number 2 and now third question I have done. This is quite different. PQR same and PE PE equal to 0.18 centimeter and PQ whole of the side PQ equal to 1.28 centimeter and PF equal to 0.36 centimeter and PR equal to 2.56 centimeter. Now listen, QE, this side, QE take out. QE equal to 1.28 minus 0.18 and after subtraction we get 1.1 centimeter. And now FR equal to 2.56 minus 0.36 and you will get 2.2 centimeter. Now PE by QE equal to 0.18 by 1.1. So after point there are 2 digits and here after point 1 digit. So it will be 18 by 110, okay? Because here after point there are 2 digits. So 10 will be here. 18 by 110, that is dividing by 2, we get 9 by 55. Again PF by RF equal to 0.36 by 2.2. Here also same thing. After point here 2 digit, here after point 1 digit. So in the denominator 10 will be, we take 36 by 220. Now dividing by 4 we get 9 by 55. Both of the ratios are same. PE by QE equal to PF by RA. So yes, EF parallel to QR using converse of Thales theorem. Okay. Now question number 3. A figure is given here. In figure LM, this line is parallel to BC and LN parallel to CD. These are given. And to prove that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. Now look how I am going to prove. In triangle ABC, LM parallel to BC. It is given. Show by Thales theorem AM by BM equal to AL by CL. Always you start from any corner, that is any vertex, okay? Otherwise it will be may fault. So always start from any vertex. Then it will be easy. So AM by BM equal to AL by CL. Always I have started from A. Okay, now in triangle ADC, LN parallel to CD. It is also given. Show by Thales theorem AN by DN equal to AL by CL. Now this is equation number 2. Now you look the equation 1 and 2. AL by CL is common. So which is uncommon, that should be written. Okay. Which is common, that should not be written. Which is uncommon, that should be written. So comparing equations 1 and 2, AM by BM equal to AN by DN. Now just reverse I have done. BM by AM equal to DN by N. Okay. Now adding 1 on both sides. Now look here, AM by BM by AM plus 1 equal to DN by N plus 1. Now take LCM M. So BM plus M. And here LCM will be N, DN plus N. BM plus M by figure we will get AB by M. And by figure DN plus N equal to AD by N. Now just reverse again. M by AB equal to N by AD. It is proved. Okay.